Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to fix that problem that you might be having where you are trying to log in to Zoom on your phone and you're running into some sort of authentication problem, like the app won't let you log in because it says that you need to be the right type of user or you're not authenticated the right way, and that's because your teacher has made it so that anybody who's logging into their Zoom classes has to be an authenticated user, which means that you have to be using your mymail.lasd.net account. So let me show you what that looks like. Right, so let's say that I'm gonna do it as if I'm not using the Schoology app, and then I'm gonna do it as if I am using the Schoology app. Okay, so this is for those of you who do not use your Schoology app, okay? And you just use your regular browser, whether that's Chrome on your phone or whether that's Safari or Firefox on your phone. So here I am, right? I'm logged in as a student, and I am in Mr. Reconco's period 6. And I noticed that he's got his English 10 Zoom link in here because he's cool like that. So I'm gonna click on this link and notice that it's gonna open up, right? My Zoom. Now notice that there's an error here, right? It says this meeting requires authentication. And you're like, wait a minute, but I'm already logged in, right? Notice that it says Andres Reconco in the background. So I'm gonna cancel this so that you can see what the problem is. Okay, so I'm gonna cancel this and I'm gonna go to settings. And you will notice that the account that I'm logged into the app, it ends at AT&T.net. And that is my personal email address. So I am not logged into my LAUSD account. So I need to do something about that. And the easiest thing to do is for you to log out of your account, right? So I'm gonna sign out, okay? And then I'm gonna sign in again. You see where it says sign in right here on the bottom right? I'm gonna click sign in. And then notice the options at the bottom of the screen. You have SSO, Apple, Google, and Facebook. I'm going to click the one that says SSO. SSO stands for single sign-on, and single sign-on is what LAUSD calls, and maybe other companies, I'm not sure. Their the way in which you log in to one app is the same way that you log into all these other apps. That's what's called single sign-on. So I'm going to click on SSO. And then it asks, it says, enter your company domain. And your company domain is LAUSD. Notice that the last part of it is already filled out for you, right? At .zoom.us. So LAUSD .zoom.us. And I'm going to click on go. All right. Then it's going to ask me to log in right on this page, open this page in Zoom. I'm going to open it in Zoom. And notice that now I am logged in using my student account, right? My mymail.lausd.net. Now, I don't know why it brought me straight into the account without first logging in, but if it asks you to log in, then all you have to do is log in with your mymail.lausd.net account, and then that should work. So again, you go to you go to SSO. Sorry. You go to SSO, and then when it asks you for your domain name, you type in LAUSD, and then you click next, and it should bring up a login screen where you put your login for LAUSD, your mymail.lausd.net account. Okay. Now, if I do that, and now I go to my Safari where I had the Mr. Reconco's class, right? So I'm over here in Mr. Reconco's class and I click on English 10 Zoom link. It should automatically, right? Once I do that, it'll automatically take me here and it'll say waiting for the host to start this meeting. So I know it worked because it's not asking me to authenticate, right? It's telling me that the host, Mr. Reconco, has not started this meeting yet and we're waiting for him to start. Okay, so that's one way, right? That's if you are using your browser to use Schoology. If you're cool though, like I am, and you're using your Schoology app, right? Because there is a Schoology app that you can download for Android and for iPhone. Then once you're logged into your Schoology app, you'll have all of your classes in here as well, and you can go. I'm gonna go to Mr. Reconco's class, and I'm gonna click on the English 10 Zoom link. And notice that on the app, it just looks much better than on the web, right? And when you go to like Safari and Google and whatever, the app works a lot better, and it looks better too. So I'm gonna click on English 10 Zoom link. And the only complicated thing about this using the app is that the app won't automatically open your Zoom app. It's kind of dumb. I think it should just open up your Zoom app. It doesn't work for me. If I click on launch meeting, like nothing happens. It doesn't launch the Zoom app. So what you have to do is you have to click on copy link. See this link over here? It says copy link. Click on copy link, go to your Safari, paste what you just copied, right? Paste it there, hit go, and then it's gonna do what it normally does when you, like it says, open this page in Zoom, and you're gonna open it in Zoom, and the same thing happens, waiting for the host to start this meeting. That's it. That should solve your Zoom problems. If it doesn't, ask one of your teachers for help. You can email me too. You can email Miss Kwan. She loves emails. Email her all the time if you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching.